All right, here we are at the Naval Academy. We brought 3 GARCs plus 1 Army-Navy wrapped up GARC. GARCs were built at request of the Navy. We built hundreds of them in a single year.
This is going to be the first time tomorrow. The teams are getting together, both West Point and the Naval Academy, and they're going to actually be using the GARC as part of their reconnaissance in their exercise. And so kind of a very unique experience in that element, but it's also one of those to be the starting point of it and kind of realizing that the future is autonomous, and these students are getting to look at it and figure out what it will mean to them as they are going to be the future leaders in the Navy. And so like having them think about what the payloads will be, how they can use it in mission sets, and what it will look like as their fleets kind of evolve into the autonomous space.
So the ARES team stands for Adaptive Rapid Engagement Squadron. How do we create new doctrine that incorporates these electronic systems and all these things that we're experimenting with